We know by the sound of their engine how fast they're going. Hill Kicker going in the sweet spot. He's got that, he feels comfortable in the ring. Look back, heart attack. Superman is straight back. The look back heart attack is when you go straight up in the air and look back. Martinez does a look back heart attack. Home with the Hill Kicker. Superman, and you saw that was different from the look back heart attack. He went straight up from the bike.